Number 4, we're given the endpoints of PR and we want to know the midpoint. So we know that we have a midpoint formula. Our midpoint formula says to add the x's and divide by 2 and add the y's and divide by 2. So when we label our points, x2, we're labeling, sorry, this is a 1. We're labeling the 1's from the first point, the 2's from the second point. We're adding our x values together and dividing by 2. We're adding our y's together and dividing by 2. So follow order of operations. You simplify the top first, and again, if you're not strong with your positives and negatives, you type this into your calculator. -4 plus 6 gives me a positive 2. 7 plus 1 gives me a positive 8. And then the last thing I have to do is divide by 2. So that's going to give me a 1 and a 4, which is D. Okay. If we think about what this means on our graph, we could graph these points. So when we graph these points, we can see we put -4, 7 on our graph, and we put +6, 1 on our graph. If we go through our answer choices and we look at our choices, we have 2, 8. 2, 8 would be way up here. That doesn't make any sense. It's not even close to touching this segment. 5, 4, 5, 4, not even close to touching this segment. -10, 6 would be out here, not even close to touching it. 1, 4 is the only one that looks like it might even be on the segment. So you can use some process of elimination. You could also make a triangle, and you notice if you make a triangle that when I go down, I'm going down 6. So if I'm trying to find the middle, I only have to go down 3. This distance is 6 from here to here. If I want to find the middle, I only need to go 3. For this side of the triangle, when I go over, I'm going over 10. So if I want to find the middle, I only need to go over 5. So down 3, over 5, I end up at the middle. So there's more than one way you can do this problem.